So here's how you can turn off the suggestions on the iPhone. Let me talk about it. And if this is your first time on a Foxtecc channel, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. So of course, when your iPhone suggests some things, you may not like it, and you can actually change it inside of your settings when you scroll through the menus a little bit, but you want to find the Siri or Apple Intelligence and Siri, and you get inside in here. And upon scrolling down, you can find a dedicated suggestions section. So, like 5 toggles which you can play with, and you can, for example, just not enable suggestions in the app library, or stop suggestions when sharing, or stop the listening suggestions, right? So there are actually many ways how you can utilize it. I know a lot of people who don't like that whenever they click on a share, for example, in photos, a bunch of different contacts are like suggested to share directly to. And if you don't like that, well, this is one of the things which you can disable, right? So in that case, it would be show when sharing. You would turn that off and no sharing suggestions would appear anymore. So that is something which I personally have turned off. But also there are the suggested apps before searching and even resetting of hidden suggestions. So that is most likely the place where you can change the thing to make your phone work exactly as you want. So let me know in the comments below if you manage to make it work on your device. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for the upcoming tutorials and videos like this, and I'll talk to you soon.